Hello everyone, this is just a teaser what I'm doing at the moment. Okay, you can see here I am making this one, this Nakajima. Okay, it's known by Frank. This is going to be the version I'm going to do, and as you can see here is already have the gloss, the varnish, and ready for start putting the decals. Okay, it went really nice. I can show you the back too, and you can see this is the blue one. So the colors, yeah, you want to know the colors. The colors, it's one of these, you can see here, and the other, the green, it's this one. And it's really awesome. So, and it's dried really nice. So, and this is the gloss varnish I use. The airbrush I use, it's the AK. Let me show you guys. This one, it's really nice. The basic line, it's a 0.3 point needle, and it's good for this, and of course thinner color. And they use this one, atomizer cleaner. This is for animals and lacquers. Okay, so this is what I'm doing, and this is what you are going to see later. So thank you very much for watching. Okay, next month I will continue working on airplanes and some busts I'm going to paint, and you can see all on my Patreon. Bye guys.